Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable camera grid line on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. So you can see here on the camera I have grid lines, and they are divided into 9 different rectangles. So here's how you can turn them on or off. First, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home key. Then tap on the camera app. Once the camera has launched, tap on the settings button at the top corner. Then go down and tap on grid lines. So tap on the switch to turn it on or off. So if I switch it off now, and if I go back to the camera, you can see on the camera viewfinder there is no grid lines. And if I go back in here and switch it on, then it will show the grid lines. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.